Heat cycle initiated holding steady at 4,000 degrees Kelvin. Maintain steady feed on the seam.
Outlined in industrial illumination.
The thermal output is steady, but pressure is fluctuating.
Noted. Keep a close eye on the structural integrity readings.
ROV-1 holding position, laser scan complete.
Received. We have full green across the board. Initiate ascent protocol Gamma.
Under the immense pressure of the deep, the legendary liner prepares for its ascent.
Is the lock secure?
Lock is secure, Captain.
Begin the lift.
Load distribution stable. Ascent rate nominal.
Hold your position, starboard side.
We are secure on the port pontoon.
Check the pressure, keep it steady.
Stable ascent confirmed.
We have orbital insertion.
Congratulations, team. We did it!
Tighten that tensioner now. Starboard side secure. Roger that. Moving to port.
Control, this is Salvage 1. We are initiating the primary tension sequence now. Hold steady at 200 kilonewtons.
Rising from the crushing depths, the hull of the Titanic enters the mid-water zone.
Secured.
Confirmed. The attachment point is secured.
Take the strain! Ugh!
contact. Start the hoist. Easy now.
Roger. Hoist engaged. Tension steady at 5-0.
We are clear of the blocks. Begin traverse east.
Copy that. Traversing east.
Heat.
As the golden hour fades, the sheer scale of the recovery operation becomes clear. A monumental effort decades in the making.
All tugs, maintain current vector. Hull displacement stable at 40 meters.
Easy. Steady now. Slow movements only. Just a few more degrees.
The largest maritime salvage operation ever attempted, guiding the ghost of the Titanic towards its final resting place.
Confirmation successful. We have confirmation!
Oh my God, we did it!
Look at that trajectory.
We did it! We actually did it!
This is amazing.
Now bring it down slow. Watch the alignment.
All rows in it. All right, side, set it.
Easy, hold it there. Perfect.
It's down. We did it. Perfect placement, right on the money.
Okay, we're clear. Set it down.
We need that secured before the next lift. Mark, can you handle the sledge?
Yeah, I got it, boss. All right, lads, easy now. To the left a bit. Steady, steady.
Looks good here, Captain.
Watch the mount on the starboard side.
We're clear. Lower away. Steady. Lower just a few more millimeters. Perfect. Hold it there.
We are within tolerance. Bring it down another 2 millimeters.
2 millimeters, confirming 0.00 alignment.
Secure the clamps. Well done.
Awesome.
We need to finalize the measurements for the clock installation.
This port is protector's belt and is there, yes?
See here, honor and glory.
Yeah, sense.
Ease. Hold.
Ensure the bracing is secure before they lift the next panel.
It's perfectly aligned with the schematics now.
Well done. It's magnificent.
Look at that craftsmanship. It's perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
It's alive again. Yeah. Well done, everyone.
Bring it down slow, very slow. We're clear on the west side.
Hold position, we need a final alignment check before setting her down.
Okay. That's flush against the hull. Hold it there.
All right, she's secure now. The N is set.
After decades beneath the waves, the historic identity of the Titanic is finally restored.
Hold it steady now. Easy on the starboard line. Lower away slowly.
Alignment confirmed on the laser. Dead center.
All right, secure the position. Start the tightening sequence on the gudgeons.
Aft, just a touch. After steady, steady, and easy down.
A monumental achievement. The hull is whole again, and the Great Lady is almost ready for the water.
Watch the conduit on the left. Got it.
Are these secured yet?
Almost done with the riveting here. Watch the starboard side. Hey. Easy now.
Clear on deck. Bring it down slowly. Emergency stations. Lower the starboard lifeboat.
Aye, Captain.
Report status of the engine room immediately.
All systems are nominal, but auxiliary power is fluctuating slightly.
Watch the load. Bring it down slowly. Clear the pallet on the left.
Titanic 2 to command. All systems nominal. Over.
Commanding officer to the crew, maintain current patrol parameters. Helmsman, adjust course to 340.
Aye, adjusting to 340.
Tactical confirms the route is clear, ma'am.
Lifeboat 4, this is the deck. Commence lowering.
Roger that. Lowering now. Clear below.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dr. Chen. An incredible achievement. Thank you. We finally achieved operational readiness.
This is a huge milestone for the whole department.
Breaking news tonight. The markets reacted strongly to the announcement. As you can see, the data suggests a significant shift in the...
Welcome aboard.
Thank you, officer. We are thrilled to be here.
Isn't she magnificent?
Truly a wonder of the age, Charles.
The sea air is simply marvelous this afternoon, wouldn't you agree?
Quite invigorating, thank you.
Welcome to the White Star Line, and a truly magnificent voyage indeed.
May the journey be as splendid as the company.
Passengers to the forward gangway, please.
All lines clear. We are underway.
The largest vessel the world had ever seen, the Titanic, begins her historic and...
Had you been getting this back?
Isn't the sea simply marvelous today?
Yeah.
Truly breathtaking.
And
The captain has brought us fair weather.
Whoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, a memorial service will be held on the aft deck at sunset. We commit their souls to the deep, trusting in the...
It's truly breathtaking.
We're finally here.
Look at the torch shining through the mist.
After all these years, we're finally here. We did it, Grandpa. We really did it. Make that last line fast.
We are sitting solid on the camels.
Good afternoon. We appreciate you joining us for this momentous occasion.
We are honored tonight to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to a true visionary.
Good morning.
We stand today on the precipice of history, ready to redefine ocean travel.
Good morning.
We stand today on the precipice of history, ready to redefine ocean travel.
The project has been a success beyond our wildest imagination.
Instead, in a rare display, she will embark on an entirely new mission.
Outfitted with state-of-the-art scientific hardware.
Her grand ballrooms and dining halls, repurposed into world-class research laboratories.
Her staterooms will house the world's leading oceanographers and marine biologists.
Titanic 2 will return to the place her story began.
As a permanent deep-sea research station, anchored for eternity above her namesake.
A bridge between the past and the future.
As you can see, the expedition to the Titanic has yielded unprecedented results. The unique corals thriving on the...
We are proud to announce the creation of the first underwater memorial and museum, preserving the legacy of the Titanic.
We are proud to announce that this year's Nobel Peace Prize is awarded to the delegation for their tireless efforts